Hey, I'm Mr. Reardon in the Science and SEMS department. I teach the SEMS elective Environmental Sustainability, which is a course that looks at current issues in biological science and kind of looks at ways that we can potentially engineer or use life to help address a number of different world problems. So we look at things like genetically modified organisms for agriculture, talk about the ethics behind that. We look at genetically modifying organisms like bacteria for oil spill cleanup. We look at water resource management, like does every human being deserve fresh, clean drinking water or access to that? And if so, why don't they have it? What are some solutions that we can use for that? And we look at the energy crisis and different alternatives to our traditional fossil fuels. So if you're interested in biological science, if you're interested in environment, in conservation, in sustainability, and then maybe the overarching theme of bioethics. Just because we can do something, does that mean we should? Take ES. Be happy to have you. Should be a lot of fun. Do a lot of hands-on stuff. Try to go on some field trips and stuff too. So look forward to seeing you. Sign up for my class and nobody else's.